Welcome to ItzRafiq. In today's video we are going to discuss about for loop in Python. The format of the for loop is like that one. For, we'll write first for, then a variable, suppose for I in range. Then inside bracket we'll have three parameters. The first parameter is the starting value of the for loop, suppose it is 1, and the next parameter is the stopping value when the loop will stop, suppose it's 10, and the third one is step, means it's run, what step we are going to change. Suppose I want to change in its step 1 plus 1, then it's just 1. And remember the second parameter, which is stopping value, it is always -1, means if I'm starting from 1 and giving the ending value as 10, means the loop will stop at 9. And if I don't give any value here, suppose I am just writing here 10, that means it is the middle value, it is the end value of the loop. It will start from 0 and stop at 9, and each step it will do +1. By default the stepping value in Python is +1. So let's try our real program. Suppose I am going to write a Python program which is display the number from 1 to 10. So for that, first we will write for I in range, then in bracket we will write the starting value, which is 0, end value 11, and step value is 1, then 2:, and hit enter. After that we will write print statement, print, and here we will write the variable name, which is I, then comma, and within quotation we will write /n or /t, whatever, suppose /t, or just one blank space. Now just let's see, run the program and output. So here you can see in the terminal, these are the outputs. As I am given here the end number is 11, but the loop stop at 10. As I have said before only, the stopping value is always -1. Now if I want the number in reverse from 10 to 1, then the end value will write it here in place of 0, 11, 10, and here 0, and step will be -1. So now see, now the output is 10, 9, like that way. Now suppose I want all the numbers in same line, then we'll do these things. We'll write and equal, then whatever we want space, comma, new line, this one we can give. Suppose I want just a blank space, then just one space. As you can see it here, if I want one tab space, then we can give /t. Let's run. As you can see here, now let's say suppose I want to display ABCD, this from A to Z I want to display. Then what we'll do, we'll take another variable. Suppose this is ch equal 65. 65 is the value of capital A, so I am writing here 65. Now here 0, then 26, then 1, and in print statement we will write CHR in bracket CH plus I. Let's see. So here you can see ABCD till Z, till Z, X, Y, Z. If let's replace the T symbol with space, here you can see ABCD till Z. If we want in reverse order, then also we can do it. Just we have to do these changes. We will write it here 26, then 0, then -1. Now let's run the program. Now you see the ABCD in reverse order, and we got this bracket sign also because it will be 26 plus 65 plus 26 will be much more, that's why. Now if we want the ABCD in smaller, then we can give here 97 and here the similar thing, suppose just 26. So you can see here now the ABCD is printed in small letter. Now suppose I want a pattern, triangular pattern in for loop. So for that, first I will take the input from the user. I will take a variable, means how many rows the user want. So row equal int function is used to convert the value whatever user will enter into a integer. So here we'll write again input, again in bracket, enter number of rows. Then we will write for loop for I in range, and in bracket we will write only row, then colon sign, again another for loop for now we'll write another variable x in range, and here we'll write the loop parameter as I plus 1. Now again colon, print statement, print. Here we'll write the character which I am going to print in the pattern, suppose star, then comma, and just this one. Now we'll come out from this for loop. Now I am inside the first for loop. Here also print statement, print, and here I will write /r. Now my program finished. Let's run. So here asking me number of rows, suppose it's 10. It is 10, enter. So you can see this one pattern in terminal. Now suppose the character the user only the character which I am going to print the user will only enter, then we can have another variable for that, symbol, suppose symbl equal input, then enter the character. Now in symbol variable the character will store, so in place of star we will write symbl. Now let's run the program. So it's asking me the number of rows, suppose it is 10 only, again enter the character. Now suppose I want the character as hash symbol. So you can see like that we can do modify in our pattern or nested for loop. Now suppose I want the number 1 2 3, this one inside the, instead of the symbol or these things. So what we can do, here we will write in place of symbol the variable name. Variable name, suppose I am writing here x. Let's see what happen if I write x. It asking me number of rows. So let's the number of rows be 10 only. Here you can see 0 0 1 0 1 2 3, like that it's going on. Now just come here and replace the x with I, then see what happened. Now instead of x we'll write I, and hit the run button. Number of rows, let's be 12, Here you can see 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, and so on. And if we want our own number, then we can do these things. We can have another variable. Suppose our variable is p equal 0 plus I, and here we'll print p. Let's see what happened. Asking me the number of rows. Let's be 10. Here also 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. P equal p plus I. Let's see. And before only we'll declare our variable p equal 0. Now we'll run the program. Number of rows is 10. Here you can see 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, so and so on. Like that we can display pattern by using Python. Now suppose I want the pattern in some different way, means from bottom to top. Then just we have to do little changes. I'm showing you. We'll come to the next for loop. Here we'll write the range as row. First our starting value will be row, ending value will be 0, and stopping value will step value will be -1. Now this line will not going to write, so just removing it, and the character will be star. Now let's run. 10. Everywhere it's 10 only. Row it's 10, then 4x in range 10, stopping 0, then -1. Stopping should be I. Let's run. Sorry, here it's 10. So you can see now triangle is in different way. So this way we can display different pattern in Python. There are many other patterns like pyramid and all. We'll discuss about this pattern in next video. So for today's video, this much only. See you in another video with some new Python tricks or tips. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.